Good morning. What's your name?
CH Shirisha ma'am.
Shrisha, can I have your resume?
Okay ma'am. This is my resume format ma'am.
Which year passed out?
2022 ma'am.
So today we are going to start .NET interview, right?
Yes ma'am.
Are you ready for the mock interview?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is, how does the .NET framework work?
Ma'am, in the .NET framework, there are so many ma'am. .NET framework 4.0, 3.0 and now it is running .NET 2.0 framework full stock. In the .NET madam, the first it stands for Doctrine Network Enabled Technology madam. In .NET network, what are there? Windows, web, testing, services, mobiles, all are there ma'am. Windows CUI, GUI, web applications, front end, back end, and the database also there ma'am. But why we are going to the .NET framework only ma'am? In these are all combined ma'am. See ma'am, C languages is also there, C++ is also there, Java is also there, and SQL is database is also there ma'am. But it is easy to understandable for us to do, and the programs also easy for us. But the main we have to see that in the way, while we are running the programs, we have to the syntax, there are any errors or anything. By carefully we will do means we will be perfect in the network enabled technology ma'am. It is easy to understand. It is running now also ma'am.
Okay. Explain about major components of the .NET framework.
Madam, major components are the two madam. Common language runtime and just in .NET framework madam language. In common language runtime means what ma'am? The common language. In the runtime only we can say ma'am, it will be run so much fastly. There are so many languages also there ma'am. But what are the languages? It will be the programs which will be the system will be takes, and it will be have any security and all. In .NET network language runtime madam, it will have any security code also madam. For the major components of the .NET framework, we have so many. We have also we are ready madam. We can do carefully and we can study and
What
also
is
ma'am.
CTS?
Madam, CTS stands for Common Type Specification System madam. Common type system is nothing but madam type. Here only we can say madam, there are the data types also there ma'am in the common types which are related to the database programmers. In the data types also we have an value types and the reference types, which is comparable to the usable for the programs which we can run, and we get an outputs also ma'am by the programs running.
What is the difference between int and int32?
Int is nothing but madam, whenever we will do any program also ma'am, we will do a int console ma'am. What is int? By the int only we will run the program ma'am. For an example, int a is equals to 20, int b is equals to 30, int is equals to a plus b, we will do now int is equals to c. Why? Int a plus b is equals to c, and we have been kept now ma'am int. But int 32 means what ma'am? Int is 32 is an value type data type ma'am. Int 32 where we can convert, where we can change the values also. It will be defined by the int 32. We have been done program, but in that program only, by the implementing and the syntax to int 32. That also madam, int 32 we have to be in the capital letters madam. Why? It is different madam. Int it will be small, but it will also be capital letters int 32 to convert and change.
What is the difference between managed code and unmanaged code?
Madam, managed code is managed code that will have an security madam, and it runs slowly also madam, but it have an security and it is an storable also madam. Managed code which will be overflows buffers, and this is a collection of a garbage madam. In the garbage collection we have a collections. Numbers all will be there ma'am, and it is also an just in time madam. Just in time languages mean just in time, which will be an it will be run madam it will be give less time, but it will be slow, but it will have an access no ma'am. But in the unmanaged code, it will be an native language madam, and it runs slow, it runs fastly madam. It is an operating system madam, and it does not have any security code madam. Whenever we will run any program, first we have to see it will has an security or not. It will be run, it will be do madam by the applications both. But here is a slow fast, but we have to see the security. By the security only now madam. If there is no security, if any error is have been done in any program applications forms, we have to be write again the program. Why we have to do all the things? It will be the time waste. But security is there, we can do no ma'am. It will be have the code just in them.
Explain about Microsoft Intermediate Language.
Madam, Microsoft Intermediate Language. If we have to say .NET Framework, which is it was came in 2002, by which it is running. Microsoft Intermediate functions, no ma'am. Microsoft Intermediates, which will be interlinked to the all languages and components, like the system which will be run by the Microsoft only, no ma'am. .NET Framework only, .NET Network Enabled Technologies. By the Microsoft only. I have to say, ma'am, we have in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint also. In Microsoft Excel, it is easy, madam, for to understand. But as an SQL database, it will be created in a tables, no, ma'am. In Microsoft Excel also, we will do the tables. We have to keep A, B, C for total values, average sum. We can do, madam. It is easy to
Okay, Sirisha, one last question I want to ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Difference between value type and reference type.
Ma'am, first the value type and reference types were came in the data types, madam. The data types have the two types. What are the data types? Value type and the reference types. What is the differences? In the value types, madam, it will be have the numerical characters interface. But in the reference types, there are two types, madam. What are they? String and the object. String and the object where will be used, madam? In the programs only, na, ma'am. String. We will keep string and open the bracket and the close the bracket and the semicolon. Numerical means what? Numerical values. Numerical is numbers, and CHR is the characters which will be run by the programs. By these two also we can do the program, ma'am.
Okay, Sirisha, our HR will get back to you soon. Okay, if you are being selected, we will just send you the mail. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.